Today I'm working a 2018 Hyundai Sonata 2.4, and today we're going to replace the spark plugs. So first thing is we need to remove the plug and that cover right there, and for the fuel pressure regulator pump, and remove the connector, the ignition coil plug. Just be careful with these clips. They're really easy to break, so just take the time to remove it. Just be careful. To remove the ignition coil, we are going to use a number 10 millimeter socket to remove the ignition coil bolt. So we remove the ignition coil, we check that it's not bad or it doesn't have any pinholes. So now we're going to use a 8 sockets to remove the spark plug. So we changed these spark plugs 2 years ago, so the customer wants to change it again. So, and to remove the spark plug, you need to use a long wrench. I'm gonna use the small one to remove the spark plug because it sees. So you can use an electric gun to remove the spark plug, but do not use electric gun to replace the spark plug, to put it back. You can damage the spark plug. So as you can see, this is damaged, but it's in not good condition, so that's why we're going to replace it. Remember, I replaced these spark plugs 2 years ago, so it's time to replace those. This is the part number NGK. I get these spark plugs from O'Reilly. There are $12.97 each, and also they came pre-gap, so you don't have to do the gap again. So they are pre-gap. So carefully, we're gonna install the spark plug. And for the torque, you can torque those spark plugs at between 12 to 15 foot-pounds, or just follow the spark plug box instructions. As can you see here, they show you how to torque down the spark plug. So 1/2 or 2/3 turn to torque down the spark plug. So when you feel resistance, we're gonna do 1/2 turn, and that's it. Now we remove the tool, and we're gonna put back the ignition coil and the bolt. If you want to remove the bolt, you can torque the bolt at 8 foot-pounds. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other three spark plugs. Just reconnect and that's it. So we got three more, and let's replace the spark plug. We're gonna disconnect it again to remove all the connections. Alright, so just we reconnect the last plug, and we're gonna put the cover for the fuel pressure pump. And before you start your car, check the oil and all the fluids. So basically that's it, guys. It's a really easy job to do. So just make sure double check if everything is plugged. And yeah, that's it, guys. If you got any question, just let me know. And thank you for watching. See you next time.